Happy 2024, everyone. And looks like the first month we already have snow everywhere. But go to do a cold start on my 2011 Kia Sorento in the 4-degree Fahrenheit weather. There we go. I'm not gonna put my feet inside. I don't want to get the carpet wet. Yeah, I need to get this cleaned up after the snow starts to thaw away. $160,403 miles. Well, here goes nothing. Oh my gosh! It almost died on me. That's how cold it is out here. Wow. You can also see the exhaust gases coming out. That's how cold it is out here. Yeah, I know, the tire pressure light is on. That's just because it's cold outside. Yeah, I think that's about it. Anyways, I'll see you later.